Hi guys, Ms. Ram here from Ziwa Shop Worldwide Company. So for today's video, let's mind your own business today. Let's start your business with Ziwa Shop Worldwide Company. So sobrang dami nga ng inquiries natin kung paano nga ba mag-start ng business here with Ziwa Shop Worldwide Company. So for today's video, ito na nga ang ating Z-Way Shop business presentation mga mare para mas maintindihan natin kung paano nga ba tayo pwedeng magsimula ng business with Z-Way Shop and of course, the advantage and benefits that Z-Way Shop offers just for you. So let's start off by knowing who is Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company. Z-Way Shop is a direct selling company carrying apparel, shoes, accessories, and personal care products, and we are working through a network of distributor na nagtitinda ng aming mga products online because here in Z-Way Shop, I always believe in the power of online business. I always believe in the ability na pwede tayo talagang ma-achieve yung tinatawag nating financial freedom through entrepreneurship. I will always advocate for entrepreneurship, no? So Z-Way Shop was founded by me. So I am Ms. Mary Rose Ramdagdag to provide an opportunity for thousands of people to start their own business and fulfill their potential because I always believe in the potential ng bawat Pilipino na kaya nating makapagsimula ng negosyo with the proper guidance, with proper mentorship, and of course, with a proper business partner, with a proper system, we can all be a successful entrepreneur. The dream of being financially secured has become more attainable. Of course, was awarded with world-class achiever and known as the outstanding lady entrepreneur. So, Z-Way Shop was founded way back 2014. So, I set out a goal to build a business not only for me and my family and of course, to help people na magsimula ng sarili nilang negosyo through the power of Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company's negosyo packages with a minimum capital to set up. Of course, we can start our own business with Z-Way Shop. Of course, Z-Way Shop was recently awarded with the seal World-Class Achiever, World-Class Excellence Awardee, and an Asia Pacific Excellence Awardee. Always remember that starting is your foundational key to success. Naniniwala ako na hindi ka naman makakapunta sa second floor nang hindi ka hahakbang sa unang hakbang. No? And of course, you are watching this video because maybe you are interested in starting your own clothing business or you are interested in starting your own brand. Baka ito na ang sign natin, no? So let's go further in knowing more about Z-Way Shop. Here in ZY, you can really be your own boss. But the question is, are you ready to be your own boss? There is a fact that an estimated 90% of startup failure. And around 20 to 34% of startup close within their first 2 years. Just over 50% of businesses make it on their 50. As you can see the graph, maraming tao gusto magsimula ng negosyo. Kasi sa totoo naman, sobrang daling magnegosyo. Sobrang daling magsimula ng negosyo. Pero mahirap magpaka-negosyante. Dahil kung gusto mong maging negosyante, kailangan ready ka. Not just financially, but you must be ready mentally, physically, emotionally, and above all, spiritually. You must have that faith. Not just to yourself, but of course, faith to God. That you can make it no matter what. No? And of course, with those statistics of business failure rates, sobrang dami nito year over year. And as I go further, I just understand that the reason why do startup fails is because they lack these motivations and inspirations. And of course, they lack that education on how they keep going. Kasi ang market nagbabago yan. It's just a matter of how we are going to catch up, how we are going to adapt. Kasi sa totoo, sobrang dami nang nagbabago year over year with the algorithm of Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Shopee, Lazada, whatsoever ka nagbebenta, if you are not going to adapt on those changes, mahihirapan at mahihirapan ka. And that's what we do here in Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. We keep on innovating, we keep on learning, we keep on earning. Because the moment that you stop learning is the moment that you might stop earning, no? There is an industry financial or industry failure rates, as you can see, no? And of course, there are common reasons for startup failure. That is the reason why Seaway Shop actually come up already with the solution kung ano yung reason why do startup fails. All right? So there is the 18% team problem, 22% marketing problem, 34% they lack product market fit. No, 16% financial problem, 6% tech problems. They are not able to adapt with the current trend, of course, operational problem and legal problems. So with all these 7 problems, Seaway Shop got the solution just for you. So we have the C-Shop marketing research. If the problem is 22% marketing problem, of course, there is also Seaway Shop marketing solutions. No, kailangan nire-research natin what is in trend, what are the algorithm changes, and of course, we need to have marketing solutions for those things. And of course, we have the teamwork with the community. Dito, hindi ka nag-iisa kapag nag-start ka ng business with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. And of course, Seaway Shop Cooperatives. And of course, we have the CY Entrep Academy. So, sabi ko nga kanina, the moment that you stop learning might be the moment that you stop earning. That's why we keep on learning so that we can keep on growing. And of course, for the legal problems, unang-una kapag nag-avail ka with CY, the first step in starting your business is to have your business name registered under DTI. So, with Seaway Shop, libre na po ang ating DTI, business name registration. So what do we do here in CY? Bago pa mag-fail yung nag-start ng business natin, meron na tayong solution for it, no? That's why we don't want to see startup to fail. We want startup to grow their business and sustain the growth of their business. And that is, of course, the goal that we have here in Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. Overall, that is Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. Simple lang, kami yung business partner mo sa pagsisimula ng negosyo mo at hindi kami supplier mo lang. Nandito kami para gabayan ka, tulungan ka sa marketing, sa sales funneling, sa branding ng brand mo if you want to start your own brand. Nandito si Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. Seaway Shop Worldwide Company is actually a game changer pagkadating sa industry, no? Pagkadating sa direct selling, we are a game changer. And of course, with a right business system, we make it work. We also want you to have an active and passive income, a business from home, because here in Seaway Shop, we promote a sense of family. Na magkakasama kayo ng pamilya mo pero kumikita ka kahit nasa bahay ka. We also advocate na hindi mo kailangan ng pwesto agad kapag mag-start ka ng business because again, we advocate for online business. No, kahit nasa bahay ka lang, kahit nasa simpleng kwarto lang nakalagay ang iyong mga paninda, pwedeng-pwede with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. Of course, dito sa Seaway guys, no, 10% ng profit natin na pupunta yan sa ating mga charity events, outreach program, foundation, and ITA Scholar. Sa Seaway Shop, hindi ka lang nenegosyo, no? Habang nagnenegosyo ka, habang kumikita ka, nakakatulong ka rin sa ating community. It's our way to give back because the secret of living is giving. So that is Seaway Shop Foundation. This is the concept that we have for Seaway Shop, no? Instead of asking for people to donate, we give a portion of our profit direct to the community. On every availment, you are making these people smile. Ngayon pa lang, nagpapasalamat na po ako sa pag-avail ninyo, pagtangkilik ninyo, at pagmamahal nyo kay ZY Shop because we are making these people smile. And of course, guys, no, just to be proud of the 12 mini libraries na meron na si ZY Shop Worldwide Company at sa dami ng mga AITA community, AITA scholars natin na napagtapos na natin. Kung kailangan mo lang din naman ay proof, you can search that on Google. You can search ZY Shop customer feedback at syempre makikita mo ang sandamakmak na customer feedback na meron si ZY Shop Worldwide Company. Sobrang dami na nang nagkakotse, nakapagpatayo ng bahay, nagkaroon ng negosyo, pero teka lang, hindi kami networking. Dito sa ZY Shop Worldwide Company, talaga namang sipag, tiyaga, determinasyon ang talagang susi para ma-achieve natin yung gusto nating ma-achieve. So ayan, nakita naman natin ngayon ang mga katas, ZY Shop, mga hashtag tataksi, hashtag ZY Shop natin dyan, no? We have our ZY Shop Entrep Academy, mga mare. So again, sa ZY Shop Entrep Academy, learning is a lifelong process. So apart from helping our people achieve their business goals and financial stability, ZY Shop advocates education for every member. So I provide a free webinars and teaching to the distributors and members business strategies on how they can grow their business. So ZY Shop Entrep Academy opens its door to members of all ages, all genders, and of course, this is a proof that learning has no age limit at all. No? And of course, the interest the BYOB receives shows clearly that sisters and sirs are always striving to learn new things in numerous ways. And I'm very, very proud of every member na nag-a-attend ng ating mga webinars and trainings kasi talaga namang gusto nilang matuto. So, me as a mentor, as a business consultant, sobrang tuwang-tuwa po ako na yung mga business partners natin talagang nagjo-join sila sa ating mga ZY Daily Trainings, no? Of course, we have our social media course for free para sa ating mga members. And of course, we have our Step Up program na required mag-attend lahat ng member kapag nag-join ka sa atin so that you'll know more about dropshipping process and all the earning opportunity na meron si ZY Shop Worldwide Company. And of course, we have our Business Mastery with the business coaches every Wednesday, mga mare. And of course, meron din po tayong BYOB na ako po yung nagkakandak. Ang BYOB natin is every Tuesday. And of course, we have our special webinar. We can have one-on-one mentorship program under how to create your own business plan with me. So, ayan. And of course, ZY Shop is a leader when it comes with innovation. So, ayan, no? ZY Shop wins big at 22nd World Class Kuala Lumpur 2021 Awards. As you can see, guys, we're able to have these awards during pandemic. We have an award during 2020 as the Philippines Top Choice for Excellence. That is the reason kasi, the reason behind kasi of those awards is that we are able to run the business even in pandemic. So, even lockdown, ZY Shop system is still there because we're still able na mag-deliver ng mga items sa ating mga clients. No? That is the boom of the dropshipping system. Of course, yours truly was awarded and appointed as the ambassador for humanitarian and entrepreneurship. That is the reason why I always advocate for entrepreneurship. Actually, even the award, I always advocate for entrepreneurship for every Filipinos. ZY Shop dropshipping system, mga mare, sobrang patok na to, no? So, with the dropshipping system, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking inventory, millions of inventory, no. I share all the products na meron si Seaway Shop Worldwide Company sa inyo. Simple lang to, no? Magpapa-order ka lang. Sa bawat pa-order mo, pasok na yan sa system natin. Kami na mismo ang magdi-deliver sa customer mo. Anong gagawin mo dito bilang Seaway Shop dropshipper? Magpapa-order, magpo-post, magmo-marketing, magko-close ng deal. Pero kami na ang gagawa ng order mo. Assorted items, pag-pick ng order mo, at syempre pag-deliver direct sa clients mo, no? Seaway Shop official website is at seawayshop.net. You can visit our website to learn more about us, ano? So for the features and benefits, ano nga ba yung benefits and advantage kapag nag-avail ka ng Seaway Shop major distributors or franchisee? Simple lang, no? Pwede ka magpapalit ng non-moving items mo. So wala kang stock na may stock, wala kang puhunan na matetenga dito. At syempre, meron nga po tayong ZY Entrep Academy na na-discuss na natin kanina, dropshipping at referral bonuses. Because here in ZY Shop Worldwide Company, teamwork makes the dream work. And of course, meron tayo ditong one-on-one business planning, low price guaranteed kapag ikaw ay nag-avail ng aming mga franchise packages. And of course, we have our ZY cooperatives. We do consignment sa mga piling business partners. And of course, meron talaga tayong one-on-one guidance with the business coaches. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. Siyempre na ipapamana ang ating negosyo, no? Kung meron kang ipapamana sa mga anak mo, mas mabuti ng negosyo ang ipamana natin para talaga namang lumalago ang ating business. So ano ang advantage kapag Seaway Shop major distributor ka? Again, pwede ang exchange of non-moving items. So wala kang stock na may stock, wala kang puhunan na matetenga. Simple lang naman yung konsepto, no? May 25,000 ka, bumili ka ng paninda sa kung saan dyan. Sa 25,000 mo na binili, guys, how many percentage of the 25,000 items ang maibebenta mo? We cannot say na lahat yun masasold out mo talaga. There is at least, that is actually 2% chance na talagang mas sold out natin siya lahat, no matter how hard we are going to try it. Meron at merong matitira doon sa 25K mo na items na yon. That is the reason why Seaway Shop Worldwide Company offers exchange of non-moving items to our members. Kasi nga, wala tayong kasiguraduhan na mabibenta natin lahat. In that way, talagang masisecure natin yung kapital natin. Dito sa CY, hihinto lang yung negosyo mo kapag tinamad ka na magpapalit ng items na hindi mo mabenta. Gaya ng sabi ko, meron din po tayong CY Entrep Academy para sa pagpapalago ng negosyo mo. May credit line, may tulong pangkabuhayan program, at may community ng mga negosyanteng Pinoy na nakasuporta at alalay sa iyo. May dropshipping system as another source of income. You post, we pack, we deliver. Sa ZY, business growth mo ang priority natin dito. So, ayan. And of course, the requirements, avail ng ating package. To valid ID, kailangan dito optimistic ka, Mare. Bawal ang nega sa pagsisimula ng negosyo mo. Kailangan talaga think positive tayo. It's not think positive, it's called faith. Diba? Faith that we are doing it good, that we are doing it correctly. And of course, what are the requirements? Someone who wants to become a successful entrepreneur. Kailangan ko dito yung team player. Kailangan ko dito yung magtutulungan talaga kami sa negosyong sinimulan niya. No? Ayoko dito yung urong-sulong. Kasi ang negosyo, hindi yan parang kanin na kapag napasok ka, iluluwa mo na lang. No? Kailangan, kapag nagnegosyo ka, nagdesisyon ka na magnenegosyo ka, buo yung loob mo. Kailangan, buo yung ability mo na mag-start ka ng business mo. Na pag-aaralan mo, nandun yung commitment mo. No? Marami kasi dito gusto mag-start ang business because they are just interested to start a business. However, they are not committed to start the business. Diba? Meron nagtatanong, no? Ma, may puhunan ba yan? Teka, Mare, meron ba tayong negosyo na walang puhunan? Saan ka nakarinig nun, no? So, lahat ng negosyo, kailangan namumuhunan tayo. No? Namuhunan ka nga sa mali mong jowa. So, mamuhunan din tayo sa negosyo na magpapalago at magpapaganda ng buhay mo. No? So, ayan. Of course, here are the package. Sabi nga ni Mylene kanina, no? Sabi niya, how much po ang distributor? So, let's talk about the packages naman na kailangan mong i-avail for you to become a Z-Way Shop Provincial Franchisee, City Franchisee, Sub-Franchisee, or simply dealer. O, inom muna tayo ng tubig, mga mare, ha? Ang hirap ng live, ang lamig pa ng tubig. Lagyan mo ng mainit yan, no? Kasi malamig yung tubig, masakit sa lalamunan. So here are the package that you have to avail if you want to start your business. So we have the franchise package, the provincial franchise package at 500,000 pesos, city franchise package at 150,000 pesos, and of course, a sub-franchise package at 25,000 pesos. So kapag provincial franchisee ka, alam mo ba na may instant reseller ka na? At syempre kung city and sub-franchisee ka, sa'yo na kukuha yung mga ating city and sub-franchisee kapag ikaw ay provincial partner. May free phone ka pa. Alam mo ba sa free phone mo na yon, meron na yung FB page, FB group, TikTok account na naka-set up na lahat. Kami na din yung bahala sa DTI business name registration mo. Pwede kang magpapalit ng items na hindi mo na ibenta. At syempre, meron kaming marketing guidance. Kapag transfer yung FB page mo, syempre mga mare, meron na po yung mga likes, meron na yung followers, meron na yung messages and inbox na marketing na, kumbaga. At syempre, yung TikTok mo, meron na din. Ang FB group mo, meron ka na ding resellers. Kumbaga, gagawin mo na lang. So, kapag provincial franchisee ka, partner ka ni Siwa, at syempre, pupuntahan natin yung lugar mo. Huwag lang yun sa sobrang layo, mga mare. So, kung kakayanin natin, why not? Go ahead. Sige, puntahan natin yan, no? Kapag provincial franchisee ang in-avail mo, tayo na kukuha ang ating mga city and sub-franchisee. Instant may reseller ka na talaga. So, how much ang provincial franchisee? 500,000 pesos. Meron ka ng initial product inventory na may ROI at least 60%, 50 to 60%. Marketing materials and support. No hidden charges, no royalty fee, no quota. Just one-time payment. Napaka-low maintenance ng negosyo na to. At syempre, ready and easy to operate. Ready and easy to operate na. And of course, meron na yung dropshipping blueprint na kasama. At syempre, with great return on investment, meron na siyang mannequin, meron pa siyang clothing cart, meron pa siyang tarpaulin, at syempre, meron siyang libreng video marketing. I-video natin mismo yung lugar kung saan natin ilalagay yung ating paninda. Again, take note, hindi kailangan agad ng pwesto. Pwede kahit sa bahay lang, pwede kahit sa garahe, basta may mapupuntahan ng mga resellers ko na napakarami na, no? At syempre, mga mare, we are looking for city franchisee. Kapag nag-avail ka naman ng city franchisee, 150,000 ang ating availment. Sa 150,000 na yan, meron na din po yung items. At syempre, meron ka na din instant sub-franchisee at resellers sa area mo. No? So, ayan, lahat ng resellers sa area in your city, sa'yo na rin sila kukuha. At syempre, kung hindi mo pa naman afford si 150K at 500K, meron naman tayo ditong 25,000 pesos na sub-franchisee. Sa 25,000 pesos natin na yan, meron yan package A, B, at C. Sa 25,000 pesos na yan, mga mare, syempre meron na rin yan free clothing cart at free DTI at tarpaulin. Take note ko lang na sa 25,000 pesos po, wala na siyang free na mannequin, ano? And of course, sa package A, ito po yung ating package A return on investment ROI is at 60%. So, a total sold in SRP, 40,000. So, kung nabenta natin ng 200 pesos ang bawat damit, meron tayong 40,000 with a total net sales of 50,000. That is actually 60% ng ating investment at 25,000 pesos. So meron din tayong ROI 25K for package B. No, sobrang laki ng ating return on investment dito. At syempre meron din tayong package C return on investment ROI is at 60%. So kung nabenta natin ang multiple out ng 250 pesos ang bawat isa, 250 times 160, meron tayong 40,000 pesos. Actually, ang multiple out natin mga mare, pwede natin yan mabenta ng 250 to 300 pesos. So kung mabenta natin siya ng 300, of course, mas mataas ang ating return on investment. Kung hindi pa rin natin afford ang ating 25K, meron naman tayong mga starter packages for business startup. Free shipping nationwide, pero ito po ay walang advantage. Ano? Damit lang to. There is 4 easy step in our CY dropshipping business. So meron po tayong you can post or sell our products on all social media accounts. And of course, you can place your customer's order. Company will process your customer order and just wait for your income. Ganun kadali kapag ikaw ay CY Shop Dropshipper. So, paano naman or ano naman yung package na kailangan kong i-avail kung gusto ko lang naman ay mag-dropship? No? Ang kailangan nyo pong i-avail ay ang ating 3,500 dealership package. Ang may access lang sa ating dropshipping system ay ang mga mag-a-avail ng ating dealership package at ang ating mga sub-franchise, city franchise at provincial franchisee. Sa 3,500, pwede ka mamili sa ating package A, B, C. Package A with 20 pieces Mopu voucher. Package B with 25 pieces branded overruns. And package C with assorted items. Sa package C na assorted items, meron po yung overrun shirt, shorts, leggings, kids apparel, kids dress, crop top, and sando. So, how to avail our negosyo package? All you have to do is choose the product or the package na gusto mong i-avail. Next is to choose kung ano yung RTW brands and sizes for our mall pulled out. Take note na sa overruns, hindi po tayo pwedeng mamili dyan dahil assorted lamang po. And of course, you can fill up the form with necessary details such as your brand name for the DTI. And of course, you can process payment. Payment first policy lang po tayo dito. Via bank, our official bank with BPI and BDO, and our GCash account. And of course, over-the-counter payments on our office is highly recommended. No? Para dun sa mga dyan, pwede kayong mag-visit dito sa warehouse natin, pwede kayong mag-visit dito sa office natin para dito kayo mag-avail at mag-sign up ng ating mga forms. Reminders that after form was submitted, it will be lined up for the process. No? And of course, a gentle reminder that there is a 3 to 5 business days for our warehouse processing for the RTW and shipment of 5 to 7 business days. Dapat malinaw yan mga mare. Business days, hindi counted ang Saturday, Sunday, and rest day. Ayan. For the rebranding package naman mga mare, for the rebranding package, mga maram, naghahanap ako ng mga gustong mag-avail ng aming 150K gold package at 500K elite package. Sa 500K elite package, meron na yung 4,000 pieces soap, 2,000 pieces lip tint, 1,000 pieces sunscreen, 1,000 pieces ng serum, 600 pieces ng lotion at 300 pieces ng perfume. At syempre mga mare, meron na yung free FB account, free FB page, free FB resellers group. Yes, mare, kapag nag-avail ka ng aming rebranding. So, ano nga ba tinatawag nating rebranding? Teka, daldal ako ng daldal ko. Ano ba yung rebranding? If you want to start your own brand of soap, lip tint, sunscreen, serum, lotion, and perfume, own brand name mo, own brand logo mo, ang nakalagay mismo doon sa produkto. Yes, mga mare, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng sarili mong brand ngayong 2024 at pwede ka nang maging CEO ng sarili mong brand for as low as 500,000 pesos elite package na yan. Meron na yung marketing videos, meron ng free TikTok account, free DTI business name registration pa, at syempre, brand marketing for 3 months. Yes, 3 months naming ima-market ang brand mo kapag in-avail mo ang ating 500K elite package. At syempre, may TikTok shop na yan. Syempre, hanapan din kita ng TikTok affiliates. Oh, eto na to. Lahat na. Kompletos recados kung mag-i-start ka ng sarili mong brand, no? At syempre, meron tayo yung kanina 150k gold package. Yun naman, may 1,000 pieces soap, 500 pieces lip tint, 500 pieces sunscreen, 200 pieces serum, 200 pieces lotion, at 100 pieces perfume. Ito naman po, may DTI business name registration, FB page, FB group, TikTok account, TikTok shop, TikTok affiliates, at brand marketing for 1 month. Yes, imo-market ko for 1 month ang brand mo. No, brand name mo, brand logo mo mismo ang nakalagay. At syempre mga mare, meron tayo dito soap, perfume, 250 ml lotion, 100 ml lotion, lip tint, sunscreen, serum, and rejuvenating set. Kung gusto, hindi pa natin afford si 150k at si 500k, pwede ka namang mag-avail ng ating mga packages dito sa ating mga rebranding products corner natin, no? So let's talk about soap. Kapag mag-a-avail ka naman ng soap rebranding, unang-unang kailangan mong malaman is 100% organic yung ginagamit natin, no? Doesn't mean, actually, there is a misconception kapag I have a lot of CEO asking, pwede ba to sa lactating, pwede ba to sa buntis? We do not recommend. No? Because kapag buntis ka, kapag lactating ka, it is too sensitive for you. Although this is organic based, some CEOs use that for marketing, but that is of course mali po yun, no? So doon po tayo sa tama, no? Gusto ko kasi yung mga nag-start ng business natin nasa tamang ano sila, no? And of course, for the soap rebranding, we have the bleaching collagen if you want skin lightening, scar treatment, anti-aging, even out your skin tone, and treatment of melasma, it's bleaching collagen. And of course, we have the ultimate whitening that helps treat hyperpigmentation, reduces the appearance of acne scars, for melasma, and of course, anti-aging din to. We have our kojic acid. It helps treat hyperpigmentation, treat sun damage and acne scars, and of course, for melasma din to and anti-aging. Kung glass skin naman, gentle cleansing, hydration, exfoliation, it brightens the skin, for sun protection as well, and smoothens the skin. So that's our glass skin formulation. We also have our charcoal soap. For the charcoal soap, it removes dirt and other impurities in our skin, deep cleanse the skin and exfoliation, detoxification, and balancing of our pH. And of course, we have our Glutaman C na talaga naman trending. We have our it can brightens the skin, anti-aging, treatments of acne, and of course, exfoliation. We also have our T3 with antiseptic and antibacterial properties recommended for acne-prone skin and oily skin. It helps treat body odor as well. And of course, for sensitive skin, T3 tayo, no? We have our trending niacinamide that strengthens skin barriers, minimize pores, brighten skin tone, and of course, it reduces lines. Kung may fine lines and wrinkles ka, let's go for niacinamide. And of course, it calms irritation ng skin natin kapag meron kang mutok-mutok na acne dyan. So let's go for niacinamide. And of course, it has antioxidant already. Meron din tayo dito, glutarbutin that brightens the skin, treats hyperpigmentation, treats melasma, anti-aging, moisturizes, and nourishes your skin as well. Meron din tayong Gluta Charcoal that deep cleanse the skin, controls oil, brightens the skin, antioxidant, and gentle exfoliation. And of course, we have our Sakura Soap that moisturizes the skin with antioxidant, brightens the skin, anti-inflammatory na din yan, and of course, gentle cleansing, and it has aromatherapy. And of course, for organic bleaching, it treats hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, treats acne scars, and treats sun damages. It also lightens and brightens the skin as well. And of course, for the perfume naman, on the other hand, we have this scents available. For the gluta-arbutin, no? For the lotion, ano yung consistency ng lotion natin, we have the glutathione, the combination of glutathione, and arbutin. Gluta-arbutin whitening lotion can be an effective product for those who are looking to brighten their skin complexion and address some issues related to hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. So kung hindi pantay yung skin tone mo, let's go for gluta-arbutin. Gluta-arbutin whitening lotion is a skincare product that combines glutathione and arbutin, both of which is a popular ingredients known for their skin brightening and anti-aging properties that make it the best. Kung gusto mo naman magkaroon ng sarili mong brand ng lip tint, let's choose our lip tint shades. We have our raspberry, Chinese red, scarlet red, mulled wine, and of course, cherry red. We also have our sunscreen, organic, non-greasy, lightweight, powdery matte finish. Syempre, free logo layout na yan, free sticker label, free basic photo and video shoot, and of course, we have our package at free shipping nationwide via JNT. Vitamin C serum and niacinamide. Meron din po tayo niyan. And of course, for our rejuvenating set na meron ng toner, soap at 135 grams. And of course, meron din po tayong day cream and night cream. Ang day cream natin is a sunscreen. So, kung ikaw ay gustong mag-avail ng sarili mong brand, just take note that there is a lab process. Hindi po ito yung in-avail mo na parang damit, kinabukasan, nandyan na, hindi po, no? So, we are using fresh raw materials when it comes with our products. That is why matagal po, lalo na sa perfume. Sa perfume kasi pinapatinang natin maigi yung oil so that there is a quality. So, mas selan ako when it comes with the quality of the products na meron tayo because si Seaway Shop is always known for quality that we always guarantee for our clients. So once order is submitted and paid, order number will be released. Order will be submitted to our graphic team for logo and layout. Logo approval for 1 to 2 revisions lang, ha? And of course, once logo is approved, it will be submitted to our printing department. Once order will be submitted to the production. So just to take note, na mag-i-start in 20 business days once in-approve nyo na yung logo. No? Order will be submitted to the production team for the actual manufacturing of our product. That also takes 20 business days to line up. Once logo and products are ready, it will be submitted to our labeling department. Photo and video will be sent after the order is shipped. So for JNT shipment, the commitment is 5 to 7 business days. For DHL shipment is at 2 to 3 weeks. DHL shipment for international shipments, kayo po ang may shoulder ng ating shipping fee. So please take note of the process, mga mare, kapag mag-i-start ka ng sarili mong brand. Hindi pwedeng nagmamadali pag mag-i-start ng sariling brand, mga mare, kasi dumadaan ito sa proseso, ano? So how to start your own brand? All you have to do is to choose the product that you want to avail. So starter packages are also available. Gaya ng na-discuss ko kanina. And of course, you can choose the variants and scent that fits your taste. Fill up the form with the necessary details such as your brand name, brand colors, brand tagline, process payment for rebranding, payment first policy lang po kami. Via bank and GCash, via BPI, or BDO Unibank. Over-the-counter and direct payment dito sa office namin, highly recommended yan. Reminders that the after-order form will be submitted. It will be lined up again for the process in graphic team natin. And they will be sending you the logo for the approval and lab team for the production process. Again, a gentle reminder that there is a 20 business days for lab process. 20 business days lab process doesn't include Saturday, Sunday, and Mondays for our rest day. Shipment via JNT, 5 to 7 business days po. So you can also visit our website to learn more about us at seawayshop.net. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel here para naman i-updated ka at mas alam mo kung ano nga ba ang latest trend with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. So be part of our growing company. Be part of our growing family. You may visit us at RCPJC Building, Santina Road, Gahakawit, Cavite. Again, we are looking for partners in Taiwan, Japan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Korea, UAE, and other countries. We are also looking for business partners, provincial and city franchisees in Oroqueta, Pagadian, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Lawag, Iloilo, Cagayan Valley, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Davao, Tarlac, Pampanga, Dao, Angeles. Also in Metro Manila, Quezon City, Batangas, Laguna, Las Piñas, La Union, Baguio, Pangasinan, Dagupan, Samar, Sorsogon, Iligan, Tugigaraw, CDO, and Zamboanga, at mas marami pang provinces here in the Philippines. Take risks or lose the chance. Are you going to have regrets later, or we are going to make it? No? Of course, this is actually a sign. If you are watching this video, baka ito na yung sign natin to start our business. Do not worry, because I am here to guide you. Do things other people won't do. And that is to take risk. Minsan masyado tayong natatakot na magsimula ng negosyo natin kasi ang dami nating baka. Tanggalin muna natin yung baka natin na yan at simulan natin yung negosyong pwedeng magpayaman sa atin. Do things other people won't do. Come in for a chat. Message ka lang directly sa ating mga Facebook pages. You can email us, of course, if you want to start your business with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. Again, our main branch is here at RCPJC Building, Centennial Road, Gahakawit, Cavite. You may contact us directly at 0905-880-9339, or you may email us at seawayshop.official@gmail.com, or you may visit our website at seawayshop.net. Mari, ang daming points kung paano mo kami i-message, ha? So message directly lang if you are interested. Again, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag from Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. Being a business owner is not for everyone, but if you have that passion and solid plan, you can be a successful one. And I am waiting for you to start your business here with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. Again, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag. May you have a good day and God bless us all. Thank you.